Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.